Hello friends, welcome to this first tutorial on Java programming language. In this video, we will try to understand what is Java and what is the scope and use of Java programming language. So to answer the first question, what is Java? Let's talk about the basic definition of Java programming language. So Java is an object-oriented programming language used to develop console-based, desktop-based, web-based, and electronic device-based applications. And it was developed by Sun Microsystem in 1991. So let's get into the more details of the definition. The definition is filled up with quite a bit buzzwords, which says it's an object-oriented programming language and is used to develop different types of applications like console-based, desktop-based, web-based, and electronic device-based applications. So I hope you are already aware of what does object-oriented mean. If not, no worries. You can go through my full-fledged course Object-Oriented Programming for Developers, where I have already explained each and every concept related to object-oriented programming in detail. So the link to this full course is in the description and you can also find it in the I button right now. For the time being, just to get the basic idea of what is object-oriented programming, understand it like this. A language is said to be object-oriented if it supports all the major elements of object model. And the major elements of object model are abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So as Java supports all of these four major pillars, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Now once we have understood Java is object-oriented, what are the different types of applications we can develop using Java language? So as we said, we can develop console applications, desktop applications, web-based applications, and electronic device-based applications. So what do we mean by console applications? Console application mean the application which runs on such a black screen. You might have seen this in some of the government offices like railway reservation counters, post office, or if you have seen Tally software, that is the best example of console application. Then what do we mean by desktop applications? The desktop applications mean the applications which run on a standalone machine without the need of internet connection, like the VLC player, the Microsoft Office application which we use. They are the desktop based applications. Then what do we mean by web applications? The web applications mean the applications which run on internet like Facebook, Yahoo, Google, or the internet banking applications. These are some of the examples of web based applications. And then what are the electronic device applications? The electronic device application means the applications on which our electronic devices run, like the mobile games, D2H set-top box, washing machines, printers. There is a coding involved into making all of these devices to run, and that code can be run into Java. So Java is an object-oriented programming language used to develop all of these kinds of various applications. So in the next video, we will try to understand the purpose behind the development of Java programming language, and we'll discuss a little bit of history about Java programming language. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to continue watching the upcoming videos and courses. Thank you.